A few weeks ago, the narrative was that Google was sweating under pressure from OpenAI and Anthropic. Today, Alphabet's latest earnings tell a completely different story altogether. Now, if you love staying updated on the tech's and world's biggest moves, remember to like, share, and subscribe. With that, let's get right to it. Alphabet just reported its Q2 2026 results and revenue hit $119.8 billion, up 24% year over year. That marks 12 consecutive quarters of double-digit growth. Operating income jumped 30%, pushing margins to 34%. Now here, of course, is the real star of the quarter, which was Google Cloud. Revenue surged 82% to $24.8 billion, while operating profit more than tripled to $8.8 billion. Now, Sundar Pichai noted that nearly 90% of Fortune 100 companies are now running on Gemini Enterprise, proving that the business, once labeled as Google's weak link, is now also its fastest growth engine. Google's core business didn't slow down either. Services brought in $94.5 billion, driven by search up 17% and YouTube ads up 13%. On the AI front, Gemini models are now processing 22 billion API tokens per minute, while the Gemini app has reached 950 million monthly active users. On paper, EPS skyrocketed 294% to $9.11 per share. But there is an important context here to be noted. $6.26 of that EPS came from a $98 billion unrealized paper gain on Alphabet's investment portfolio. Strip that out and underlying operating growth was a solid 30%, which is strong, but not quite 300%. Now, to fuel this expansion, Alphabet is spending big. Capital expenditures hit $44.9 billion for the quarter, almost double of what it spent this time just last year. That aggressive spending pushed free cash flow into the red at negative $5.9 billion, showing just how much cash Alphabet is burning to stay ahead in global compute. Here, of course, is the front page take on this. Alphabet is placing a massive bet that immediate cloud growth justifies negative cash flow. So here's the question that I would like to ask you all. Is an 82% cloud surge proof that Google's AI investment is finally paying off? Or would you say that it's a negative free cash flow, a warning sign of how dangerously expensive this race is getting? Let us know what you think in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by AIM Network. Like, share, and subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AI.